SureEsign offers high-trust Adobe certificate signing with validated FDA compliance. It's easy to sign documents and forms anytime, anywhere, from mobile phones to desktops. Introducing SureEsign Enterprise. With SureEsign Enterprise, you can extend trusted digital signing outside of your organization to your own trusted private network of projects, people, partners, and programs. SureEsign Enterprise includes Sure Network, your own private trusted network, enterprise application connectors for Microsoft 365, Google G Suite, and others, and trusted digital signing with dynamic trust levels. Dynamic trust levels offer you a range of signing trust levels from a basic trust level for commercial signing to a high trust, which is the equivalent of a digital notary. Let's take a look at the differences between each signing level. Unverified contacts are designated with a red signing badge on their profile photo. These contacts will go through a short, one-time identity verification process when they sign their first document. Basic trust contacts are designated with a yellow signing badge on their profile photo. Basic trust signers don't require an identity match to an organization. Anyone with a Gmail, Yahoo, or other public email systems can be signers with basic trust. Most commercial signing transactions can use this level. Standard trust contacts are designated with a green signing badge on their profile photo. Standard trust requires an organization email domain. Standard trust associates the signer with a named organization. This trust level is common in healthcare and life sciences. High trust contacts are designated with a blue signing badge on their profile photo. High trust is typically used in cases where you need strong evidence of a record of the signing party's identity. High trust requires verification with a government photo ID. This trust level is widely accepted as the equivalent of a digital notary. After your signers have completed the verification and signing process, they will be issued a trust certificate and a color-coded badge indicating their verified trust level. You can always click on the badge to view their trust certificate. Anyone can open a SureEsign Trusted Signer certificate in Adobe Reader to verify the signer's identity. Sure Network is the easiest place to get started with signing, providing you with a private network dashboard. Getting documents signed quickly is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, choose your project. Second, select persons to sign. And third, select the documents or forms you want to get completed and signed. Let's start by choosing a project. Unlike other Part 11 signing solutions for health sciences, with SureEsign, you can invite multiple participants to complete and digitally sign documents at no charge to the signing parties. You can add persons manually, or you can import them from systems like MS 365 or Google. Let's switch to a list view so we can select multiple signers from within our project. Use the checkboxes to select your signing parties. Selected signers will show on your clipboard. When you have added all of your desired signers to the clipboard, click Invite to Sign Document. If you need to, you can still add more signers. Just enter the signer's name or email in the search box and add them to the clipboard. When you have all the signers you need, click Next to select the documents to sign. You can select the documents to be signed from your local device or from your connected cloud files. I'll just drag a document from my local computer for this example. Optionally, after selecting your documents, you can add a signing workflow name and description that your recipients will see in an email notification. Click Next to set additional signing options. In most cases, you will probably want to specify additional signing options, such as the locations in the document where you want each signing party to sign. You can also force a signing order. For this example, we will allow everyone to sign at the same time. SureEsign allows you to specify multiple signing trust levels. For this example, we will use the basic trust level. Choose a signer from the top of the screen. Your selected signer will be highlighted. Then click Signature from the buttons on the bottom of the screen. A red box will appear. Drag the box to specify the signing location. Add any other fields required for this signer. Let's add a date for this signer and drag it into place. Switch your active signer at the top of the window and repeat the process for each signer. Be aware that all fields will be affiliated with a specific signer. When all your signatures are in place, click Submit and the secure signing process is initiated. With multi-person, multi-document, and multi-level trusted signing, SureEsign helps you get trusted signing done quickly and securely. Recipients will get an email to start their verification and signing process. A confirmation will be sent to your email when each signature is completed. And you can always check the status of your documents sent for signature in your workflow. And click here to send a reminder if you're still missing a signature. And of course, with SureEsign, you can always verify the document's integrity and the signer's identity by opening it in Adobe Reader. With SureEsign, it's just that easy.